Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Chris, and today we're working on his Jeep. So the Jeep came with high idle, and the code was P0462, I believe. And also we're getting P0505 for the fuel gauge. It's not working either. So the first code, the P0462, it's an idle air control code. So it has a new one in there from the previous owner, and we checked it out, checked the resistance. You check the middle pins and the outside pins, and it's supposed to be around 50 ohms. So that's good. We also replaced the throttle position sensor just in case. I mean, it has 160,000 miles, so it doesn't hurt to put a new one in. So we did. I also checked the wiring to make sure it's not shorted out from the plug here to the PCM, and it's not. The last thing to do is to replace the PCM because it's probably not giving the correct, signal to the idle air control valve. So we ordered a new one. This one's off of eBay. It's a remanufactured, and it's flashed to the VIN number on this car. So it should be plug and play, and we'll be good. The first thing to do is to remove the engine coolant reservoir because the PCM is back there. It's kind of a tough spot to get to, but we'll get it out. So to remove the PCM, it's actually bolted up here with 2 bolts. Chris is taking them out right now. And there's actually one under the fender right here. So that bolt back there next to the shock on the left hand side, it's in the middle of the screen. That one you need to remove as well, and then the whole thing should come out and we'll be able to replace it. Alright, so we're not able to get it out. We have to remove the transmission module as well, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're gonna take it off right here because the harness is attached to the bottom of this, so I think this would be the easiest way to do it. So we send it down the ground just to have a better connection. I'll give it to you. So now we're gonna put the new one back on, and we sanded this down too. All right, so everything's back together. Next up is just to turn on the car and try it out. Okay, so we just started it up, and before the gas gauge wasn't working, and I checked all the wiring and connectors for that. So it was kind of weird, but now it is. It's about halfway, and there's no check engine light. So we still have to drive it around and see how it does. Oh, and I got too excited, but the idle, it's perfect now. It's where it should be. She seems to be driving great. The gas gauge is working. It's going to empty now, where it should be. And the RPMs, they stay good. We're about to go to a stop so you can see the RPMs. Check it out though. Now we can get it inspected with the smog check and put it under Chris's name. There it is. Perfect idle. Before it would be like around 1,000. Actually, when we first got it, it was around 2,000. There it is. Sheesh. Give her some pepper. There it is. There it is. We got a new key fob. He needs one, so might as well put it on. We're gonna program it with the Dorman. So, you excited?
I'm excited.
Let's go ahead and do it. All right, so here are the instructions. I already have a video on this, so you can check that out. But we're gonna go ahead and turn on the car, or put it on the on position. Don't turn it on all the way. Make sure I think one more click. On position, and now we're gonna plug in the OBD2. Okay, press the lock and unlock button on the remote. All right, now hold the lock and unlock button for 3 seconds. Okay, now the unlock button for 2 seconds. No, unlock.
You said lock.
I said unlock. I have video of it. This is harder than we thought.
Can't punk.
Okay, lock and unlock, 3 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, unlock for 2 seconds.
1, 2.
Okay, wait 2 minutes. All right, so it's been 2 minutes. Try it. Ooh, nice. Nice. Oh, now you got a fob. Easy. I love the Dorman programmer thing. It makes it so easy to connect fobs on here.
Okay, it's only official. Oh, they can't open these things anymore.
Sheesh. Now it's a Jeep.
No, it's a Jeep.
We got to upgrade the fob though. You got to get some of the Najar Offroad ones. All right, so Chris put in the PCM. It is running flawless now. It's great. So smooth. No check engine light, so we can get it smogged, we can get it registered, tagged, and we can actually start driving it on the road. So I'm excited for that.
I'm livid of it.
Yeah, what do you guys want to see done to the Jeep? We got a couple little things planned. It'll be coming, you know, within the next week or two. But anyways, aside from that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Check out Najar Offroad. Peace.